Looking for something special? We know how frustrating it can be when you can't find anything to meet your exact tree removal requirements. It seems like nobody understands what you're going through. So if you can't find exactly what you need, then don't worry. Simply contact our friendly team to learn more about our range of custom and tailored tree solutions to match your exact requirements. Our professional team have years of experience in delivering quality tree removal services and understand the intricacies required to meet a huge range of needs. Just ask for an estimate and let us prove our commitment to your satisfaction. We promise that we will maintain the highest level of customer care and service. Everything is carried out to assured standards, and we will complete everything efficiently, leaving you with great results. Our friendly and knowledgeable team is waiting to solve your unique requirements. So please don't hesitate to contact us via any of our contact methods and let us, what is that again? Craft. That's right, craft. Okay. So please don't hesitate to contact us via any of our contact methods and let us craft you the exact tree removal service you need. We aim to exceed your expectations. So contact